How to buy skins on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to buy skins on PUBG. Buying skins on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the game on your mobile device. Go to shop. Tap on the shop icon usually located at the bottom of the screen. Browse through the available items like outfits, gun skins, vehicle skins and more. Select a skin. Choose the skin you want to buy. Tap on the item to see more details. Purchase the UC. Skins in PUBG Mobile are bought using UC. The in-game currency. If you don't have enough UC, you will be prompt to purchase more using real money. Tap on buy UC and select the amount you want to purchase. Complete the payment through your preferred method, Google Play Store, App Store, etc. Complete the purchase. Once you have enough UC, tap purchase to buy the skin. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can buy skins on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.